Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do this fun plum look just in time for winter. I know it's December already, the year's coming to a close. This is going to be a little bit more complicated than some of my other videos, but still pretty easy, so stay tuned. In order to make my face look like I have a consistent sleep schedule and not insomnia, we're gonna go in with the A.BLACK cover cushion in yellow beige. Once again, it's so cool. It actually matches my shirt now I think about it. That was unintentional. Just like the last video, pressing lightly into it with our little pad applicator and going in and tapping it on. I haven't put on makeup in a while, and I think part of that has just been I'm starting to feel the dread set in, you know, because the cases have spiked here in Korea, but overall the country's been seeing a big spike, particularly in the capital. So I have not been outside since like November 11th, something like that. I'm going a little bit crazy. I've mostly just been in my room and like around the neighborhood a couple times, and I'm so bored. And I think in the US I was okay with, you know, being quarantined inside, not doing anything, because I knew like the neighborhood I was living in, there wasn't really much for me to do when I went outside. Like there wasn't anything like fun, new and exciting. It was just I could go get pizza or like just take a walk. Now when I'm here, I'm just like, oh, I could go to this bakery, that fashion store, or like buy X makeup, and like there's so many more things that I want to do, and I am understanding the struggle of like doing my due diligence, but I'm doing it. Stay inside. Don't go out. Don't add to the numbers. Don't be a carrier, and don't put others in danger because of your own self-satisfaction. Anyway, that's my little social justice rant for you guys this video. Next we're going to set our very loud? I feel like at a certain point there's just gonna be like a compilation video of me struggling to speak English. We're gonna go in with the INNISFREE matte mineral powder. Please focus, camera. And once again, taking your applicator and just going in very lightly. Just, you know, just enough to set it. We don't want anything to crease or be cakey. Not that I'm gonna have the opportunity to do this time because I'm not going outside. I'm not doing anything outside. So that is good for powder. Just mattify slightly on the interior of my face. And of course, your girl round. Although, according to my relatives who visited me today, apparently I've lost some weight, and I think that's mostly just the dreads sinking in. How are we doing, guys, with that seasonal depression? Are we doing good? Get enough vitamin D? Don't be sad. Once again, going in with the art class shading palette. I have to get really close. I have my phone propped up on the other side to like help with the lighting situation, so it's not just coming from this way, but it makes the stuff really hard to focus when I get close to the camera, which is unfortunate. Say hello, guys. I just mix all three colors when I'm doing face shading. I recently picked up Clip Studio Paint, and I haven't drawn like seriously digitally like ever in my life. I've owned a drawing tablet for a while, a couple of years, but I never like got the hang of it, so I was just like afraid of it. But now with Clip Studio Paint, I can feel myself improving immensely. Taking a flat shadow brush, this is the same one I used in the last two videos. I'm gonna go in the darker two colors. Doing some contour to make my eyes and my nose more prominent. Because I did this last time and I don't want to just like go back to it. I'm just gonna do a little eye bag contour right now while I'm at it, because I'm being a little bit lazy today. And you know, while we're in the times of this great world event, I feel like everyone deserves to be a little being lazy. It's rough out there, guys. That's it for contour, and now we're gonna do our eyeshadow. But first, eyeshadow primer. Your girl might not use primer for her face. Boy, do her monolids need help. This is the Proof 10 eye primer from Etude House. I use the same one all the time because why would I have multiple eye primers? It's not like I need different kinds for various jobs. And just slightly rubbing that in and dragging some of the excess to my under eye. Now that we've done our primer, it's time to go in with the eyeshadow, and today we're gonna go in to my biggest palette. This is, ta-da! Wow, use code SUNNY for 10% off? No, I'm joking. This is a Morphe palette. It's the only Morphe product I own, I'm pretty sure. This is the 35V Stunning Vibes Artistry palette. Let's open it up. Unfortunately, oh my gosh, the plastic is the only way I can tell you the shade name. So I've kept the plastic because I like knowing the shade names. But look, it says Morphe Babes. And it's this really pretty palette. I got it as a gift from a friend, so shout out to her, she's great. Sponsoring all my makeup desires. I really love this palette. We are going to be doing purple look, so we are going to be using this shade, and this shade. This is the shade we're going to be using on our base. This is the shade Risque in the palette. Taking an eyeshadow brush, this is the Complex Culture Precision Eyelid brush. We are gonna go in to Risque. Just dab it onto my brush. Just apply it on the base. Or as a base, I should say. My shadow's a little chunky on this side, so I'm going to take a blending brush from Farrah. This is the blender brush 25EL, and just, you know, the outsides. Now it's much smoother, the transition gradient. So now that we've got our base shade done, excuse me, I'm losing my voice after talking to myself. Next, we are going to go in with a detail shade. This is the shade Seduced. I know a lot of these shade names are a little bit scandalous. I don't know why Morphe did that to me. But you know, it's a nice purple color, and I switched arms for swatches because this is easier. Taking the same brush, because your girl lazy. We're gonna go into that shade Seduced, and we're just gonna go over. Now taking the same blending brush I used before and just making the two colors meet harmoniously. This is so pretty, right? Like, I don't usually do this look. Literally the last time I did this, I think was in January. So this is definitely like a winter look. That's pretty much it for eyeshadow. So now we're gonna go in with eyeliner. The NYX Epic Ink Liner. And my camera's not gonna focus, but believe me, I'm holding it. I'm not gonna do anything too serious today. We're just gonna do an extension of our eye shape because the purple's a little wild. My eyeliner is really wet, so I'm just gonna let that dry. How's everyone doing? Anyone got any holiday plans with staying indoors? Social distancing? Saw Mama live a couple of days ago. I just cut a live stream on my laptop. And that Twice song, okay, fun story. My live stream cut out when Twice was performing, so I only saw them do most of More and More, and then I didn't see anything else, which was really upsetting. My friend, we were DMing each other on Twitter, and they were like, what is this song? I don't know this song. And I'm just assuming it's another song from their new album. But they made a new song and they debuted it on Mama, and I was so mad I didn't get to see it. So I had to wait until they uploaded to YouTube, but now I just have it repeating all the time. God, I would cry and die for Twice. We're out here just, I love them so much. Anyway, my eyeliner's dry now. I actually started crying. Oh, your girl's some K-pop trash. Anyway, I'm just gonna reapply some shadow here because I cried it off. I'm emo for Twice, you know? When I said I was going to be like ride or die for Twice, when they said cry and die for me, I'm like, yes queens, I will. I'll give my everything. Got our liner done. Had to take a quick break because there were some kids yelling outside. And we are going to fill our waterline. Or waterline, lash line. Waterline's the one on the bottom. I'm filling in my lash line. And if this hurts your eyes, don't do it. Don't do anything that will hurt you, okay? Okay, guys? But our liner is done. I'm gonna curl my lashes. This is the Picasso eyeshadow curler? Eyelash curler. Just gonna go in and repeat for other eye. Now, normally, I would put on mascara now, but I know I'm not going out, but I really want to put lashes on. So this is the number 4 lash, the Chic Eyelash from ETUDE. I believe this was like $3 or $4. It's pretty good. Comes in a pack. I've already worn them, so they're a little jank. And it comes with eyelash glue. You guys probably, this probably won't even catch on camera, but it says it's a chic eye, like this is their idea. This is the K-beauty version of like heavy eyelashes, and I'm just like, this is less lashes than natural lashes that you can get in the US. Makeup is all about creativity, so do whatever floats your boat, you know? I did not talk at all while I was putting on that lash. I had so much concentration. Lashes are so hard. Now that I've got both lashes on, it's time to put on mascara to just marry the two together. Again, this is the MAKIAGE mascara. How do you hold things in front of a camera? I don't know. We are just going to start at the base and wiggle out. We're just trying to glue natural lashes and the fake lashes together a little bit. And for the other side, because putting on the lashes messed up with my eyeliner a little bit, I'm gonna go back in with my eyeliner and just go over. Now that our eye makeup is done, I'm gonna go in with blush. I'm gonna be using the blush from this I'm Meme palette. This is the Lucky Card palette. The first one looks like this on the inside. It's pretty fun. It's compact. I got it, I think it's normally like 25,000 won, but I got it for 9,000 won, $8, $9, so which is pretty good. I'm just gonna take my angled brush and go. I kind of wish I had a purple blush. Like I don't know if I'd look great with it, but I'm interested in getting more blushes because I don't really buy blushes. I use a lot of sample sizes. And for the winter or / e-girl aesthetic, we're gonna put some on the tip of my nose. It's cold outside, or I like blush. Since blush is done, we're gonna go in with highlighter. This is the Do Me Pearl Baked Highlighter Powder from Estate Cosmetics. It is this silvery, pinky highlighter. It's very pretty. Look at that. It's great. This is a random brush from a Sailor Moon brush collection I got from my friends last Christmas. Thank you guys. It's just like a round brush. You can use any brush, or you can use your fingers if you wanted to. Just go on bridge, tip my nose, Cupid's bow, and of course, the cheeks. Gives you a nice frosted look. I'm gonna take this rounded brush and I'm gonna go in to the highlighter. Putting a lot of effort into the eye look today. So the face is all done, and now all that's left is the lipstick. The lipstick I'm gonna be using today is this NARS Velvet Lip Pencil. It is tiny because this is a trial birthday size that I got from Sephora. Thanks, Sephora. Nudie color, nudie pink. Since the eyes were the main focus of today's look, just going neutral. And once again, once you have your lips applied, just gonna take your finger and blend out the edges. Once that's all done, since that was all of our makeup applied, now it's time to use our setting spray. This is the So Natural All Day Tight Makeup Setting Fix. Ooh, hold on. Your girl might not be going outside, but she still puts a setting spray on. That's right.
That'll be it for today's plum makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you haven't, check out my other videos that I've posted. I'm really proud of them. And as always, all the products I used are going to be listed and linked down in the description. And I hope you guys have a wonderful start of December. Goodbye!
Watching, but it's so hard to get to you, 'cause when you see the sun, I see